What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video today. I just did another video like 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago. I'm not that sure, but guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna do a paper airplane challenge. I got 3 of them. I did a challenge at school in STEM. I got STEM class, and so I got in the playoffs. I got in the finals, and I only got in 3rd place, guys, 3rd. And I used this one. I made my own, guys. It's so cool. So, and I got these ones right here. These ones, guys. So, pick one is gonna go. This one's gonna be the first one, and then this one's gonna be the second one, and then my favorite one is gonna be this one. So, let's see how it goes. Okay, guys. Let me take you guys over here. And look, my guinea pigs are still out here. It's freezing, guys. It's 8 o'clock right now. So, they're still there. Still there, guys. So, okay, guys. I'm going to put you guys right here. Get this set up. Just getting this set up. Guys, I'm freezing out here, bro. It's like 65 degrees. Whew, freezing, guys. Freezing as heck. Okay, guys. So, first, we're gonna start out with this one, guys. This one doesn't really fly that well, but at least it like glides forward. So, hope you subscribe to my channel, guys, and leave a like. So, I'm gonna put these ones in here, so they don't go away. So let's just try it. Okay, I'm just throwing this log right here. Okay, guys, it's very windy outside, very windy. So hope you subscribe to my channel. Very windy. So, guys, this one, the first one, it only went from here to the log. So we're gonna leave this one right here, right there, guys. Okay, now we're gonna get the other one. Okay, guys. Now this one is very fast. This one, guys, I made these by myself, guys. So let's just see this one. Whoa, guys, look, I made it farther. Like a foot farther, look. See, guys? Sick. Okay, we're gonna do those like 3 rounds. So this is round 1. Now we're doing this one, guys. My favorite one. Okay, this is round 1, guys. Don't worry, there's 3 rounds. So we got 2 more to go. And so let's just do this. Oh, I think the wind got caught off, so we'll tie it up with these 2. So, okay, we're on to round 2, guys. Pick these up. Okay, we're gonna do the big one again. Okay, on to round 2, guys. Round 2. If there's any lag, just tell me and I'll fix it for you guys. So, whoa, it's windy, guys. Look at this, like falling apart. Crap. Okay. Okay, guys, let's do this. Whoa. Oh, bro. It went farther. Look. See, there's a log over there. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. Let's get the other one before it doesn't go away. Hey, guys, it's so cold out here. Okay, sorry, I spit it on the camera, so I wiped it off. Yo, I can't even throw these because it's so windy. Hold on, guys, let me fix it. Trying to fix it, guys. It's raining outside. I might have to end it off right here. It's gonna it's all raining, so just hurry up. Ooh, it went on the road, guys. We're on the road. It's right there. Okay. Trying to hurry up, hurry up. We might just do just 2 rounds. If you keep on raining, then we're gonna stop. So there, I wiped it off. Okay, here we go, guys. Whoa! Guys! Guess who's in the lead? The orange one. The yellow one. This one's in the lead. Okay, guys. So, on to round 3. Last one, guys. Last one. Whoa! Bro. Okay, right there. Right there. Okay, on to the second plane. Sorry guys that I'm really messing up on my camera. If you guys can hear me, then that's good. But if you guys can't, then I can fix it. Okay guys, this guy's the last one. Okay guys, second plane. If you want to go for the first one's in last for so he lost. So either the second plane or the third plane. I'm going for the third one, guys. And I'm actually not treating because I'm actually shooting. Oh, yo, look at it. He passed the first plane. Okay, guys, the last plane. I hope he wins, guys. I hope he wins. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Yo, I was right. Guys, I was right. Yo, look at this. Look at that. Bang. Yo, let's go. Okay, guys, so we got a champion here. This one is in first, second, and last. Sorry, man. Is in third. So, hope you subscribe to my channel, guys. Hope you like airplanes. I'm gonna make some more on this part 2. So, hope you subscribe to my channel, guys. Mike, if you guys want me to do a Minecraft video, I will. Love you guys. Peace. Goodbye.